Hello buddies, and welcome back to this masterclass for the beginner in Python programming language. It's your guy here once again, the Wolf, and today guys we are going to learn about Python data types, that is the set. And remember, in the previous lesson, that is 17, we learned about tuple and the list. So let's continue by, okay, for the class of today we are going to learn on how to look through the data in a set. So that is the lesson for today. That is okay, without much ado, let's get started. Okay, welcome once again. So you can look through the set items by using a for loop. That's one way of looping things in Python, especially when you have a set of items. So you can look through and maybe count them, change them, or do something with them. So that is it. So we'll start off by creating a file here, and remember I'm using Python 3.14, I guess. Yeah, no, I'm sure. So I click here on this hamburger thing, and I click new, and I just want to create a Python file here. So there's so many files right here. Wow, this Python has been integrated with some I don't know, maybe oh, vibe code. I don't know. So I just create this file, then name it. I should name it looping. Okay, looping. I should call it the looping item, because that's what we want to do, right? Then hit enter if you're using PC, just like me. If you're using a Mac, I don't know, you should bless me with that one, and you take mine. Okay, so I'll create like so let me just look through a set and print the values first of all. So let me first create the set here. So let me call this set fruits. Let me just call it fruit, because I'm from Kissy. I should call it Kissy fruits. Kiss me fruit, kiss me fruit, right? Something like that. And then I sign this. So how to create a set in Python? You just use a curly bracket. So this is how we do it. You just hit shift on your PC, and then there is this signs above. This is called curly bracket. So this simply means that you have created a set, right? So in this set we have just assigned a variable. So we have pushed the set into this variable called kiss me fruit. Okay, so the kiss me fruit that we might have in this set, let's have like 3 of them, the common one. Oh, and then again, remember to separate your sets here, your fruits here, with a comma, just like that. And if you don't do that, it won't work. So we'll start off by banana, because banana is one of my favorite. And the second one is mango, and the third one is amapera. Okay, so we have these fruits in our set here. So we want the variable in it of these fruits. You see? So what can we do? Can we count? Can we add? Can we? Okay, let's just look, because we just wanted to look them. So we're going to use one of our favorite thing in Python, that is for loop. So this is one way that we can iterate through a set of items. So we are iterating using a for loop here. So we can say, wow, Python is so easy. So we just say for certain banana or fruit, for certain fruit in this variable, please print them, all of them, right? That's what we're doing. So we say for x in this kiss me fruit, indentation might be the problem. Okay, why are you giving me this? Like, maybe I should indent this a little bit. What? Oh, hey, well, okay. So let me just print out. So this is an inbuilt function in Python that printing at the console. So we want to print x, right? Just like that. And we are done. I think indentation problem here. Okay. Well, let's drop this here now. There. Okay, so let me just run this and see that whether we have all these console. Boom, there we go. So you can see we have a banana, and avocado. One thing that you have to realize about the site is that it's not haina index, by the way. So if banana is index 1 here, if I run the second time, it won't be number 1, it won't be number 3 or something like that. Okay, so let me just run it. Oh, you see, every time you run, the index is so. And never use us. Okay, that is it for today, and see you next when we will learn about joining asset. And yeah, so goodbye.